Welcome to our roundup of the best gas-powered leaf vacuums and blowers. If you are tired of dealing with piles of leaves, stubborn debris, or yard cleanup that takes forever, these powerful machines will save you time and effort. Gas blowers offer unmatched performance compared to battery or corded models, giving you the speed, power, and runtime you need for bigger jobs. We have selected the most reliable and efficient options available, focusing on power, comfort, design, and durability. Whether you need a compact handheld unit or a heavy-duty backpack blower, we have got you covered. Let's dive in and find the best gas leaf vacuum and blower for your yard work. The first on the list is the NEOTC 3-in-1 gas leaf blower mulcher. This machine is built for versatility, acting as a blower, vacuum, and mulcher all in one. With a powerful 1.7 horsepower engine, it delivers strong airflow that easily moves wet or dry leaves from driveways, lawns, and patios. Its vacuum and mulching functions are excellent for reducing leaf volume, turning messy piles into finely shredded mulch that can be reused in your garden. A durable 40-to-1 mulching ratio ensures leaves are compacted efficiently, minimizing waste bags. Comfort is also a major advantage here, with a lightweight build and padded handle that reduce fatigue during longer sessions. Overall, the NEOTC is an ideal choice for homeowners who want an all-in-one tool that combines strong blowing power with the added bonus of mulching and vacuuming for complete yard maintenance. Next up is the Craftsman B2000 gas-powered leaf blower. This handheld blower focuses on simplicity, power, and dependability. It features a 25 cubic centimeter engine that produces strong airflow at speeds up to 200 miles per hour, making it excellent for clearing large areas quickly. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle with vibration reduction technology help reduce strain, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. It also includes a variable speed throttle, giving you precise control when working around delicate areas like flower beds or smaller garden spaces. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the Easy Start technology and tool-free air filter replacement. Overall, this Craftsman blower is a dependable option for homeowners who want reliable performance, easy handling, and a trusted brand backing their yard care. Next, we have the PRYMA gas-powered leaf blower. Designed for heavy-duty performance, this model features a powerful 42.7 cubic centimeter engine, providing excellent airflow for tackling larger lawns and outdoor areas. Its backpack-style design helps distribute weight evenly, making it more comfortable during extended use compared to handheld models. Another standout feature is its adjustable shoulder straps with thick padding, which reduce fatigue and make it easy to maneuver even during tough jobs. This blower is also built with a variable speed trigger, letting you adjust airflow for different tasks, from clearing driveways to moving wet leaves from grass. Durability is a key advantage, as its robust build is designed to handle frequent use without losing performance. Overall, the PRYMA blower is perfect for those who need a powerful, comfortable, and long-lasting solution for bigger cleanup jobs. Coming up next, we have the HTK 63cc backpack gas leaf blower. This is a powerhouse machine built for large-scale yard work and professional use. Equipped with a 63 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine, it delivers extremely high airflow, capable of moving stubborn wet leaves, dirt, and debris with ease. The backpack design, combined with adjustable and padded shoulder straps, ensures the weight is distributed comfortably, reducing fatigue during longer cleanup sessions. Another highlight is its fuel-efficient engine design, which helps extend runtime while lowering overall fuel consumption, making it practical for big jobs. Despite its raw power, it is surprisingly user-friendly, with an easy start system and adjustable tube length for different tasks. Overall, the HTK blower is a heavy-duty, professional-grade machine that offers maximum performance, comfort, and efficiency for demanding outdoor projects. The last one on our list is the Husqvarna 150BT gas leaf blower. Husqvarna is a trusted name in outdoor tools, and this model delivers professional-level performance. Featuring a powerful 50.2 cubic centimeter X-Torque engine, it provides high airflow while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The ergonomic harness system with ventilated and padded shoulder straps ensures comfort during long hours of work, while its lightweight backpack design makes it easy to handle compared to other heavy-duty blowers. It also includes an adjustable tube length and cruise control function, allowing for precise control and reduced hand strain. Durability is another strength, as the Husqvarna 150BT is built with high-quality materials that withstand regular use in tough environments. Overall, this blower is a premium choice for both homeowners and professionals who want a balance of power, comfort, and long-lasting reliability. So, that's it for the best gas-powered leaf vacuums and blowers available right now. Each of these models brings its own strengths, whether it's the all-in-one convenience of the NEOTC, the dependable simplicity of the Craftsman, the heavy-duty performance of the PRYMA, the raw power of the HTK, or the professional-grade reliability of the Husqvarna. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay powered up.